Hey, what's up guys, peace be upon you, hope you well. This is Yelani and you're watching Prince Yelani's tips and tutorials. Today I'll tell you how to make a bootable USB drive by using a simple tool called RUFUS. It requires only 1.12 MB of storage. And what is the best part of this software? Why we are going for this? Because you don't need to worry about anything like activations, trial version, subscription and whatever. So any further ado, let's get started. Okay, as always, go to Google and type RUFUS. Click OK. Now select the first option, RUFUS create bootable USB drives, and here you can see this is how the software looks. Now just scroll down and select RUFUS 3.15. Click here, and here you can see the download speed. After download completed, simply open the file. Yes, you don't need to install anything, just open the file. Double click it. See, you don't need to install anything, just open it up. Okay, now select the USB drive, which you want to make a bootable drive. I know you can find this. Once you selected, select the operating system, IMG file. Where is my IMG file? Oh my god. Yeah, here it is. No, softwares. Go. Okay, operating system. Once you opened it, simply select which one you want. I'm selecting Windows 7 Superlight because it's a very low space. Okay, name it. You can change the name. It reflects on your bootable USB drive, so you can find it. Now you can select either MBR or UFI. This is not supported, so I'm choosing MBR and hit start. It will erase everything. So this is a disclaimer, guys. Once you have started, it's make pausing. Actually, I'm fast forwarding this because for your convenience. Okay, it's making. Why we are not using the command prompt? Because it takes lot of efforts. You need to type everything to make it happen. So this tool make all of that which the command prompt making. So I'm sticking with this. Okay, it's copying. Yeah, it's done. Actually, this real time. I have 7 minutes for this. Okay, after it completed, just simply hit the close and check the output. Okay, let's eject the tool. See, it's here. Eject the drive for confirmation. Now insert again. Now you can see it shows. If you're showing this, it means it's a bootable. That's it for today, guys. See you in another video. Until then, this is Yelani and you're watching Prince Yelani's tips and tutorials.